about the project which helped us explore the stability of shapes in relation to truss-based design.
Do you know the steel beam that holds up a bridge is a truss? So a truss is actually a framework that supports something like a loop or a bridge. These beams are arranged in a certain geometrical shape.
As part of our inquiry, we have explored which shape has greater structural strength, a cube or a triangular prism, and also investigated which shape design can hold more load. For that, we have used the same material, clay and skewers, for building both the shapes. Even for testing and comparing the shape design, we have used the same types of load.
The triangular prism was able to withstand greater load as compared to the cube. Through our observation and investigation, we infer and conclude that design tool representing a triangular prism has greater structural strength because it allows the weight to be evenly distributed throughout the structure, making it stable enough to weather heavy.
Project addresses 𝐷𝐴 industry innovation and infrastructure, and it also helped us to instill 21st century skills such as the 3 C's: communication, collaboration, and critical thinking, as well as time management.